In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill if you're moving responsibilities, collaborating with a team, or simply need to transfer access to someone else. In just a few minutes, you'll have all the knowledge you need to complete this task smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Google Sheet that you want to transfer ownership of. This spreadsheet should already be shared with the person you intend to make the new owner. Now, once the sheet is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. It's usually highlighted with a little person icon next to it, making it easy to spot. Click on it to open the Sharing Settings menu. Within this window, you'll see a text field prompting you to enter an email address. Type in the email address of the person you want to pass ownership to. After entering their email address, click on Send. This step ensures that the new owner has access to view and edit the document. It's crucial for the transfer process. Next, look at the shared user list that appears below. Here you will see the list of all people who currently have access to the document. Find the newly added email and focus on the drop-down menu that appears right next to their name. When you click this drop-down, a list of permissions will appear. These permissions range from viewer all the way to editor, and finally, make owner. For our purpose today, go ahead and select Make Owner. Selecting this option is perhaps the most important step, as it officially designates the new person as the owner of the spreadsheet. Once you select Make Owner, you will likely see a prompt asking you to confirm this change. Google does this as a security measure to ensure that ownership transfers don't happen by accident. Finally, to solidify and finalize your change, click the Done button located at the bottom of the sharing settings. And with that, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Google Sheet to another individual. It's worth noting that after you complete this process, your own permissions will automatically be downgraded to editor unless you've removed your own access. This means you'll still have considerable access to make changes and edits without being the outright owner. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now confidently able to manage Google Sheets ownership. Remember, this simple process can make team collaborations and project turnovers seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing!